Good morning. Today I'm going to be making some guacamole. It's for my craft website's recipe, and I think I make my guacamole pretty much like everybody, but I add a little bit of spice. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we go. This is my ingredients: 3 guacos, 1 Roma tomato, a small onion, jalapeno, some cilantro. I've got some Himalayan salt, some just black pepper, and some minced garlic, and some cumin and lime juice. And I will supply the recipe amounts right here. Okay, I take the 3 guacs, and I've let them sit for about 3 days in a bag, and that ripens them really good. So I cut them in half, and I'm going to peel them and take out the seed and put them in this bowl, and I'm going to mix it with chopped tomato and chopped onion. Okay, and also I add some lime juice. Just about the amount of being just a regular lime. I like the flavor. I just pour it on it, let it soak in for a second, and then I pour it back in what's in here into a separate bowl, and I save it. Okay, I have chopped up my tomato, and these are great tomatoes because they're grown straight out of my garden. So I minced them up really good. And I'm getting ready to do the onion now. Okay, I cut the onions. I'm getting ready to cut the cilantro and also the jalapeno. You want to mince them up as small as possible. And also on the jalapenos, make sure that you scrape out all of the insides with the seeds and all. Okay, now I've got it cut. I've got the cilantro chopped down and the stems taken out. And I just used a half of jalapeno and chopped it up very fine. And I'm getting ready to mince the onion, and I'm going to put it in the bowl and mash it all together. Okay, I'll add just a little bit of pepper, half a teaspoon. I'm going to add some Himalayan salt, about a half a teaspoon, and add some garlic to it as well, just a man scoop. Ooh, you can smell that garlic. And I like to add a little bit of cumin. I'm going to pour that lime juice back in here that I took out of it. Alright. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. And the onion. And the jalapeno. And cilantro. Now, it calls for like one of those potato mashers. I like to do things my own way. So I give it a little chippy chop. That's looking good already. I need some taco meat, baby. I'll leave the ball in there, the seed ball. I leave it in because Mama always did. And I do what Mama says to do. Okay. Okay, I've got it all mixed up now. Mashed as they call it. And it's time to test the taste of it. I cannot wait. Okay. I like tortilla cups. Let's see what this tastes like. Good gosh, I'm kidding. It's spicy. Tastes real good though. I'm gonna eat all this for breakfast. Thanks guys. I'm glad you was hanging out with me while I made some guacamole. I hope it's made you hungry so you can go make some. If not, go to your local Mexican restaurant and order some. But anyway, hey to all my Twitch friends, YouTube friends, and Facebook friends. I love you guys. God bless you. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.